Are your hands and feet often cold, or do you experience unexplained cramps? These could be the signs of poor blood circulation. Blood circulation is essential for your body as it delivers oxygen and nutrients to your organs and tissues. However, when the blood flow is restricted, it can lead to issues like dizziness, muscle cramps, decreased cognitive function, and even serious health problems. The good news is that you can enhance your circulation naturally by including specific herbs in your diet. Curious to find out which ones? Let's dive in. In today's video, we'll explore the 8 best herbs to naturally boost your blood circulation. 1. Parsley. Parsley is rich in nitrates, which help to dilate blood vessels and enhance blood flow. It's also a great source of iron, essential for producing healthy red blood cells. The folic acid and B vitamins in parsley further support blood vessel health by preventing clots and reducing the risk of arterial damage. Fresh parsley isn't just for the look. Eating it can really support healthy blood flow. This herb is a powerhouse when it comes to improving blood circulation. 2. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a powerful circulatory stimulant thanks to its active ingredient, capsaicin. It helps dilate blood vessels, encouraging better blood flow throughout the body. Cayenne also helps to lower blood pressure and strengthen arteries and blood vessels, reducing strain on the heart. 3. Rosemary. An evergreen, fragrant herb, rosemary contains antioxidative compounds which neutralize the free radicals and prevent damage and inflammation, which otherwise can affect blood vessels and prevent blood flow. A study published in the journal Complementary Therapies in Medicine shows that rosemary essential oil, when applied topically, dilates the blood vessels and encourages healthy circulation. You can sprinkle it over your meals, make its tea by boiling fresh rosemary leaves in water, or use its oil to gain these health benefits. 4. Basil. This aromatic herb with a fresh, minty flavor is more than just a delicious seasoning for your dishes. Basil contains cinnamic acid, which enhances blood circulation and helps lower high blood pressure. According to a study published in Hypertension Research, consuming basil has been linked to reduced blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and better overall blood flow. Basil is also rich in magnesium, which relaxes blood vessels, allowing for improved circulation. 5. Black pepper. Black pepper, scientifically known as Piper nigrum, contains the active compound piperine, which enhances the bioavailability of nutrients and improves their absorption, thereby promoting better overall circulation. Piperine also stimulates the release of certain digestive enzymes, leading to vasodilation, or the widening of blood vessels, which improves blood flow. Additionally, black pepper is rich in antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can contribute to poor circulation and cardiovascular issues. Commonly used as a spice in various dishes, black pepper enhances flavor and can be incorporated into soups, stews, and dressings. It is also available in capsule or powdered form for those looking to use it as a supplement to support circulation and overall health. 7. Pine bark extract. Pine bark extract is packed with powerful compounds that not only boost the immune system, but also support healthy veins and circulation. Derived from the inner bark of pine trees, this extract is known to reduce circulatory strain and alleviate leg edema, which is caused by fluid buildup in the tissues. You can take pine bark extract as a supplement or apply its oil topically to your legs to ease weakness and promote better circulation. 8. Bacopa monnieri. Also known as the herb of grace, Bacopa monnieri is a key plant in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. It's rich in ascorbic acid, phenols, and antioxidants, all of which promote healthy blood vessels. According to an animal study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, Bacopa monnieri increases nitric oxide production, which helps to dilate blood vessels, improve blood flow, and lower blood pressure. It's commonly available as a supplement and is best taken with food to prevent diarrhea. 9. Thyme. While commonly used as a seasoning, thyme offers more than just flavor. It can also improve blood circulation. Rich in potassium and iron, thyme helps stimulate red blood cell production, which boosts oxygen levels and promotes better blood flow. Thyme is also great for heart health, thanks to its essential nutrients and minerals that help relax blood vessels. Additionally, it can lower blood pressure, leaving you feeling more relaxed. Incorporating these herbs into your diet is a safe and natural way to enhance circulation. However, For the best results and to avoid any potential side effects, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before making them a part of your daily routine. Will you be adding these herbs to your diet after watching this video? Let us know in the comment below. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on the next video. See you next time.